Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up time on a Casio watch. First, let's find the Mode button, often located on the bottom left. Press this button several times until you see the time setting screen. You'll notice the seconds digits flashing, which means they are ready for you to adjust them. This is your starting point for accurate timekeeping. Now, to set the seconds, press the Adjust or Reset button, usually on the top left, to reset them to 0. Next, press the Forward or Light button, typically on the top right, to advance the hour. If you hold this button down, the hours will cycle through much more quickly, saving you time. Once the hours are correct, press the Mode button one more time to move to the minute setting. Use the Forward or Light button to adjust the minutes to the precise time. If your watch has a date function, continue pressing Mode to cycle through and set the month, day, and year as needed. Finally, when all your time and date settings are exactly as you want them, press the Adjust or Reset button one last time. This crucial step saves all your changes, locking in the new, accurate time. Your Casio watch is now perfectly set and ready to accompany you through your day with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.